isn't it hot? It's quiet, isn't it, mate?
Sure is. I'm getting a bit fed up listening on activity.
What do you reckon?
Well, I'd like to put a bait out right underneath that barge over there.
Yeah.
Nothing else is happening, is it?
No, in the shade, isn't it?
You going to give us a hand?
Yeah, can do. Yeah.
Alan, can you give us a hand a minute, please, mate?
What do you want now?
All right, mate.
Kev? He's taking it to the boat. Drop it off. He thinks he catch something. I think all he catches is the boilies. What you say, when he comes back, you get the cobra and the big stick, and we bombard him. You understand?
Fight?
Yeah, fight. Yeah, we.
Okay.
You get the cobra?
Okay.
When he comes back, let him get nearer, and then we give him stick. All right, Kev?
If you go just up to the bow of the boat. Is it the bow that pointed in?
Well, yeah.
I don't know. And then we just, as you say, just down and drop some baits around it. When we get about halfway down the boat. Want to be really tight to the boat.
Right.
Might be a big carp.
Put them on the floor so they don't see. It's good. Okay, Mark, ready? I'll get my stick for when they come back. Get some boilies. Okay? Must come back this way. All right. All right, Kev.
What's he say?
Don't seem too much drift. Think that'd be all right?
Come up a bit.
Oh, well.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Come in here, I'll give you a hand out. He's in range, you think? You hit him with the big one?
Oi! Hey, come on.
Have a word.
Stop mucking
Hey,
about.
what's Mark got hold of? Look out.
You bastards.
Look out!
Now, come on, boy. Come on, made it go.
Hey?
Right. I'm in a bit. Go in, let's get a bit closer.
Right.
Get that bastard.
Let's get close. Yeah. Ow! Shit! Oh, what the back in the head? Ow!
Give us a hand quick, come on. Get him, get him.
I'm on 20 quid worth.
Oh!
Mark, it's too big for me. Yeah, go on.
A bit closer.
Go in a bit.
Oh, gosh!
Get a bastard!
Sod this, I'm getting out of here.
Come up here, Kev, I'll get your hand. Sorry, slip. You all right, mate? Cold, isn't it?
Oi, don't let me go again.
No.
Get us out of here! Oh, my hand's slipping.
Manage.
No.
So tempting, isn't it?
Push him back in! Push him back in!